Good morning, children. Take out your workbook. Page number 7. Page number 7. Okay, children. Already we completed blanks in this page. Already we completed, no? Now we have to write the question and answers. Look here. Answer the following questions. How would the day be without the sun? How would the day be without the sun? Tell me, how would be the day without the sun? Our sun gives us the sun gives us heat and light. If there is no sun, what will happen? Very good. There is no light and heat. Shall we write the? Okay, all of you start. Sharp your pencils, everyone. Write down. There is no light and heat without the sun. T capital letter. Write down. T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-R-E, there. Keep small finger gap. Small finger gap. There is. IS is. Again small finger. There is. No. Leave small finger. Light. L-I-G-H-T. There is no light. Again small finger gap. A and D end. There is no light and finger gap. Heat. H-E-A-T, heat. There is no light and heat. Again keep small finger. Keep your finger like this. Small finger. Without. W-I-T-H-O-U-T. There is no light and heat without. Again small finger gap. T-H-E, the. Small finger. Sun is proper noun, no? So we have to write capital letter. S-U-N, sun. Full stop. There is no light and heat without the sun. Okay, children. Write neatly, everyone. Are you completed the first question? Okay, see the next one. How would the night be without the moon? How would the night be without the moon? Without moon, what will happen? The night will be dark. The night will be dark without moon. Okay, write down. T capital letter. T-H-E, the. Finger gap. The night. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Again small finger gap. The night will. W-I-L-L. The night will be. Again finger gap and write down B. The night will be. The night will be dark. D-A-R-K. The night will be dark. Again finger gap. Without. W-I-T-H-O-U-T. Without. Again finger gap. The night will be dark without the. Very good. Moon. Look here. For moon, which letter we have to write? Capital letter, no? Why? because it is proper noun. M O O N. Moon. The night will be dark without the moon. Full stop. Okay. See the next question. What would happen if the sun comes even during the night? What happens if the sun comes even during the night? Very good. There will be no change between day and night. Okay. Write down. THERE, there. Finger gap. There. WILL, will. Finger gap. There will be. Finger gap. NO, no. Finger gap. CHANGE, change. There will be no change between BET, WEEN. There will be no change between finger gap. See how I write, children? Write like that very neatly. DAY, day. DAY, day. Again keep small finger gap. And here no space is there, no? So you have to write night spelling here. NIGHT. There will be no change between day and night. After completed, what you have to keep? Full stop for every answer. Okay, children, there will be no change between day and night. Are you write neatly? Very good. See the next one. Pick out the nouns from the poem and write them on the objects below. We have poem, no? So in that poem, we have to pick out the nouns and write in these objects. Okay, children, take out your course book. See the poem. No sun, no moon. No stars, no sky. Do you know why? I made them disappear. I didn't use a magic wand. I had no special gear. I didn't cast an evil spell. I didn't use first aid. I didn't do a tribal dance. I just pulled down my shade. Okay, first we have to underline the nouns in this poem. See, sun, moon, stars, sky, magic wand. These are the nouns. Okay, children, shall we write these nouns in this workbook? Okay, what is the first one? Sun. So you have to write the capital letter. This is proper noun, no? S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Okay. What is the next one? Moon. M, capital M, O-O-N. Moon. Write neatly on the line only you have to write. Next. Very good. S T A R S, stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. Okay. What is the next one? Good. Sky. Again S capital letter. All these are nouns. S-K-Y. Sky. Y down letter. Okay. Next one. Magic wand. See, here you have to write the magic spelling. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. M-A-G-I-C, magic. Magic, W-A-N-D, wand. Magic wand. Okay children. Sun, moon, stars, sky, magic wand. Sun, moon are proper nouns. Sun, moon, stars, sky, magic wand. These are the nouns we have in the poem. Okay children. You have to complete this page very neatly. See how I write in these two lines. You too also write like that, and leave here small finger gap. Okay children. All of you write very neatly. Okay. After completed this one, read this. Okay children. Bye. We will meet again in the next class. Okay.